Ever felt drained out and in need of a quick energy boost? It's a sensation we've all experienced, a sudden wave of fatigue that seems to sap away our vitality, leaving us sluggish and unmotivated. Whether it's a mid-afternoon slump at work, or the exhaustion that follows a grueling workout, these energy lows can be a real hurdle. Now, you might be tempted to reach for that energy drink or a cup of strong coffee, but have you ever considered the potential harm they could cause to your body in the long run? Artificial energy boosters may provide a quick pick-me-up, but their effects are fleeting. Worse still, they could lead to dependency and health issues down the line. The good news is, there are healthier natural alternatives that can help you maintain your energy levels throughout the day. They not only provide a sustained energy boost, but also carry a host of other health benefits. So stay tuned. But worry not, we have a list of natural energy boosters to help you power through your day. First up, never underestimate the power of staying hydrated. Water is like the unsung hero of natural energy boosters. It's not flashy or exotic, but it's absolutely crucial. Every single cell in our body needs water to function properly. Think of it as the oil that keeps the engine of our body running smoothly. Now, what happens when we don't drink enough water? Dehydration kicks in, and it's not a pretty picture. Dehydration can cause fatigue, making us feel sluggish and lethargic. It can also lead to a lack of concentration. Imagine trying to solve a complex puzzle while your brain is in a fog. Not ideal, right? So, the key is to stay hydrated. It's not about chugging a gallon of water all at once, but rather sipping it throughout the day. A constant supply of water keeps our energy levels steady and our minds sharp, so remember to keep that water bottle handy and sip throughout the day. Next on the list is sunlight, nature's very own energy booster. Isn't it fascinating that the giant ball of fire in the sky can actually make us feel more energetic? It's not magic, it's science. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin. When sunlight kisses your skin, your body begins to naturally produce vitamin D. This vitamin plays a pivotal role in maintaining healthy bones, but did you know that it can also help boost your mood and energy levels? Yes, you heard it right. Exposure to sunlight can increase the brain's release of a hormone called serotonin. This hormone is associated with boosting mood and helping a person feel calm and focused. Without enough sun exposure, your serotonin levels can dip low, and low levels of serotonin are associated with a higher risk of feeling down or fatigued. So, don't shy away from the sun. Embrace it, and let it energize you. Scene script. Coming up next is the green energy, or should we say, green tea. Now you might be wondering, green tea, really? Yes indeed, this humble brew is a powerhouse of health benefits and a fantastic source of natural energy. While coffee may be your go-to morning jolt, green tea offers a more subtle, steady energy boost without the jitters or the crash that comes with too much caffeine. So, what's the secret behind this energy-boosting elixir? It's all in the leaves. Green tea is packed with antioxidants known as catechins. They not only help in fighting off harmful free radicals in the body, but also play a significant role in boosting metabolism and fat burning. But that's not all. One particular catechin, Epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG, is a superstar when it comes to health benefits. It's known to improve brain function, promote weight loss, and even reduce the risk of certain cancers. Unlike coffee, which can give you an energy spike followed by a slump, the caffeine in green tea works synergistically with another compound, L-theanine. This unique combination creates a more stable and sustainable energy boost. L-theanine also promotes relaxation without drowsiness, helping you stay focused and calm, even in the busiest of days. Now, if you're thinking, well, I don't really like the taste of green tea, let me tell you there's a whole world of flavors out there. From the grassy notes of sencha to the roasted flavors of hojicha, you're sure to find a variety that suits your palate. So, next time you reach for that cup of joe, why not consider green tea instead? It's more than just a hot beverage. It's a lifestyle choice that can lead to better health and improved energy levels. Remember, it's not always about the quick fix, but sustainable choices that make all the difference in the long run. Swap that coffee for a cup of green tea and feel the difference. Now let's talk about the power of protein. Now you might be wondering, what's protein got to do with energy? Well, my friends, quite a lot. You see, protein is a key component of every cell in our body. It's like the construction worker of our body, building and repairing tissues. But here's the kicker. It also plays a significant role in providing long-lasting energy. Unlike simple carbs that give you a quick energy fix but leave you crashing soon after, protein takes its time. It breaks down more slowly in the body, resulting in a steady and sustained energy release. This means no more sudden energy dips in the middle of your day. Now where can we get this magical nutrient? There's a multitude of high-protein foods that you can incorporate into your diet. If you're a meat lover, lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish are fantastic sources of protein. But what if you're vegetarian or vegan? Worry not, nature has got you covered. Nuts and seeds, for instance, are protein powerhouses. Just a handful of almonds or pumpkin seeds can provide a good chunk of your daily protein needs. And let's not forget the humble egg. Packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, it's truly a superfood. Whether scrambled, boiled, or poached, eggs are a versatile and delicious way to up your protein intake. But remember, balance is key. While protein is important for sustained energy, it's just one piece of the nutrition puzzle. It should be coupled with a balanced diet rich in fruits, veggies, whole grains, and healthy fats. So the next time you're feeling sluggish, instead of reaching for that sugary energy drink, why not try a protein-rich snack? A handful of nuts, a hard-boiled egg, or a slice of lean turkey could be just the ticket to keep you going strong. Incorporate protein in your meals and snacks for a sustained energy boost. Last but not least, the most overlooked energy booster: sleep. It's the secret weapon we all have access to, but many of us don't use effectively. Sleep, my friends, is your body's natural way of recharging and rejuvenating. It's like that overnight battery charge for your mobile, only way more sophisticated. When we sleep, our bodies are hard at work. They're repairing tissues, making hormones, consolidating memories, and doing a whole lot of other cool stuff that helps us function optimally during our waking hours. Quite literally, sleep is the time when our bodies reset, recharge, and get ready for the next day. So what happens when we don't get enough of it? Well, just like your mobile phone, if you don't charge it properly, it's not going to work at its best. Lack of sleep can leave you feeling groggy, lethargic, and struggling to focus. It can also impact your mood, making you more irritable and less able to cope with stress. Now, we've all had those nights where we just can't seem to switch off. But there are things we can do to improve our sleep hygiene. First off, consistency is key. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Yes, even on weekends. Your body loves routines and it'll thank you for it. Next, create a sleep-friendly environment. That means a cool, dark, quiet room and a comfortable mattress and pillow. Limit exposure to screens before bed, as the blue light they emit can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. And finally, consider your diet. Certain foods and drinks, like caffeine and alcohol, can disrupt your sleep. On the other hand, foods rich in magnesium and potassium, like bananas and almonds, can help promote restful sleep. So, prioritize your sleep and wake up refreshed and energized. It's the ultimate natural energy booster. And the best part? It's absolutely free. And there you have it, natural ways to boost your energy. As we journey through life, it's crucial to keep our energy levels high and our spirits even higher. Today, we've charted a course through the realms of hydration, sunlight, green energy sources, protein power, and the all-important sleep solution. Each of these elements plays a pivotal role in keeping us vibrant, active, and ready to take on the world. Remember, hydration is not just about water, it's about the vitality it brings. Sunlight, nature's own energy drink, is there for us to soak up and recharge. Green energy sources like fruits and vegetables are nature's powerhouse, while proteins are the building blocks of our strength. And let's not forget the rejuvenating power of a good night's sleep. Balancing these elements in our daily routine can pave the way for a healthier, more energetic life. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Stay energized and see you in the next one.